Good morning, everybody. I just recorded what I thought I recorded was the intro to this, and I took a camera still shot. Okay, so I hope everybody's doing well. It is a cold, balmy, I don't know, like 13 degrees on a Saturday morning. So what did I decide and agree to do? Go with my nieces and my best friend and help them with their Girl Scout cookie booth outside. So the layering process has begun. I have wool socks on. I'm going to have leggings underneath my jeans, a hoodie, gloves, a scarf. Now, mind you, if these little girls can bundle up and go sell their Girl Scout cookies as an adult, I can do it too. So I'm going to work on transforming into something a bit more presentable because I have no makeup on and I need to do my hair and straighten it. But you're going to get to see my nieces, Bella, Ryleigh, and Penny, and of course my best friend Katie, and see what it's like to operate a Girl Scout booth. Okay, I just want you all to see how much snow we really have, because I'm in the suburbs of Chicago. So we have over 2 feet. Look at this. There's the garbage can. Does that give you any inkling of how much snow we have? It's insane. I don't know if we've been hit the hardest this year, but I just want you all to know I'm going to stand outside in this. And it's not warm. Hi. I'd like to buy some cookies.
What would you like?
How much are the cookies? $5? What's your name? Penny? And how old are you? 5? 9. And are you a Daisy or a Girl Scout?
They're Girl Scouts, but she's a Daisy and she's a brown.
Oh, can you tell me a little bit about the Girl Scouts? Well, how about you introduce yourself, troop leader?
Hi, I'm a troop leader. So, my name is Miss Katie, and I'm the troop leader for their troop. I'm also their mom.
Okay.
And we are selling cookies. This is my 7th year selling cookies outside. She's working.
Yeah, she's working the booth.
She's working it. This is Penny's very first cookie booth.
Yay, Penny!
It's okay.
And so what do we have here? We've got tag-alongs, lemon. Is the lemon the new one?
Lemon Ups is new about, I think, 2 years ago.
We got Do-si-dos, Thin Mints, trefoils, samosas, and s'mores.
S'mores. Which one's your favorite?
S'mores are your favorite? Hey, what if I can't eat cookies? What are my options?
What if she can't eat cookies? What could she also do? Donate to the military.
Yeah.
Say that again. You say you could donate to the military.
Very nice.
She's all business today. She wants some sales.
Sell those cookies, Ryleigh. Okay, Penny, what are we doing?
My first cookie booth.
It's your first cookie booth? And how's it going?
Okay.
Are you selling lots of cookies? What are we doing right now? Are we warming up in the car?
Yeah.
So what are you saying when people come to the cookie booth?
Would you like to buy some cookies
Or donate to the military?
or donate to the military?
Okay, now say it really loud.
Would you like to buy some cookies
Or donate to the
for the
military?
military?
And what is your favorite cookie?
S'mores.
S'mores? Why do you like them?
Because it's chocolatey and I like s'mores.
Oh.
Yum.
What's Aunt Denise's favorite?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. That's right. Do-si-dos. Do you like being a Daisy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like earning badges?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about being a Daisy?
You get to make we got to make a Rice Krispie treat.
You got to make a Rice Krispie treat?
Yeah, we got to make a cake.
Really?
You know, and we got to melt. We got to eat it. And we got to use edible so we can eat the googly eyes because they're not real.
Oh, okay.
It's edible.
Do you earn lots of badges?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favorite badge?
First aid kit.
First aid kit. Hey, do you want to show everybody your vest?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's show them your vest.
This is hard.
Oh, very nice. And let's see your badges.
Yeah. Wait here.
Right there. Very good.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, and you got your pins because you're a Daisy, right?
Mm-hmm.
And is this your first cookie booth ever?
Yeah.
So what do you say? My first cookie booth ever.
My first cookie booth ever.
And what do you think of your first cookie booth? Are you selling lots of cookies?
Yeah.
How many boxes do you think we sold?
10,000.
10,000? Holy cow, that's a lot of cookies. All right. Tell everybody thanks for watching
Thanks for watching
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Say bye.
Bye.